Hi, welcome back to the workshop. In this video I'm going to be showing you the updates that I've done to my workshop. So, this is the door. When you walk in, you can see the light switch, a fire extinguisher, and then when I walk in sometimes I put my coat on there. And then I've got some small scrap wood. And then I've got my new workbench that I've put in. All there. Big L shape. So on top I've got my miter saw, and then my Google Home for music, and then phone charger, heater, and then just like scrap all like screws and stuff. And then underneath the workbench I've got my bin, a shop stool, drawers and a shop vac, and then a reciprocating saw, and then a big set of drawers. Then on top of the set of drawers I've got all my T-step boxes and my chisels up there, and then also some scrap wood, a bit longer pieces. And then on the wall I've got my 18 volt dual battery charger, hand plane, all my clamps, homemade clamp rack there. And then got a big tool wall. I'll show you it all. Circle saw up there as well. Sander, drills, impact driver, hammers, measuring tools, homemade screwdriver rack. And then today I've just put all these up. These are all my shop vac accessories here. Yeah, so that's the workshop. I'll show you a wider view. So, undo the latch.